Hi, my name's Rad, and I want to tell you about the Transformers, mechanical beings from another world. There's the Autobots, the good guys, and the Decepticons. They're all fighting over a tiny race of robots called the Minicons, who crash-landed on Earth thousands of years ago, and they're scattered all over the planet. The Decepticons want to collect them and use them to increase their power, but the Autobots will put a stop to that.
Transformers.
Guys, no way! We'll attack from both sides!
Are you crazy? What kind of plan is that?
Those are Megatron's orders!
All right! Let's just blast them already!
That's it! You two keep them occupied!
Transform!
That was a lucky shot.
I don't believe it. Even a battle simulation is too tough for them. You call yourselves Decepticons? You're lucky that was only a training exercise and not a real battle, or else you'd all be annihilated. And you, Starscream, I expect much more from my second in command.
But sir, you can't blame me. The other two were supposed to cover me!
Get that! You can look after your own hide! I say it just goes to show you a leader without a Minicon is no good to anyone!
Megatron, please. I promise to do better if you let me have the next Minicon.
I think he's gonna start to cry!
Hey, you take that back!
Enough! Oh? Listen, that signal's coming from a new Minicon panel. Prepare for launch. We will depart for Earth immediately.
Transformers.
Rad's sure taking his time getting here.
Be cool. Here he comes. Hey, guys! Sorry I'm late, but I had to get a few things that I thought we might need.
Huh?
Are you sure you brought enough stuff?
Did you raid a garage sale?
Of course not. I figured if we're gonna be hanging out with the Autobots and Minicons, we might need some human things. Always be prepared, that's what I say.
Yeah, you're right. I guess that makes sense.
Hey, Rad, this sure looks like camping stuff to me.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Cool. We're going on a camping trip?
Well, I just hope you've got some bug spray in there.
I got everything. Now let's go. Alexis and Carlos didn't know it, but all that gear I brought with me was gonna come in handy. We were about to set out on an adventure with the Autobots that none of us would ever forget.
Why is this Minicon still lying dormant?
I'm not sure, sir. It may be that the data's been protected.
But how could that happen?
I don't know.
Nice entrance, Grinder.
You guys bring enough supplies with ya?
I know. Rad just thought we might need a few goodies from home, that's all. Right?
Huh?
Huh?
That's the beacon signal of a new Minicon. Red alert, can you bring it up on the monitor?
Yes, sir.
You've got the location? Good, let's move out.
this place out. This terrain would be excellent to ride our BMXs on.
Look. Oh, it's a deer. I hope we see some more.
Hey, guys. I know there's nothing that's gonna scare me out here, as long as there's no tigers or panthers around.
Would you give your head a shake? This is a forest.
Yeah, of course I know that. I was just testing you guys.
Come on, team, settle down. We got a lot of work to do. Let's find that minicon panel. Hotshot, get Joel to do a recon from the air.
Okay. Go take a look, Joel.
How's it looking up there, Joel?
Hey, Rad, he sees something in the distance.
All right. We found it, sir.
Let's move out.
Move out? Which way? Well, I guess you're the boss. But it isn't exactly a freeway, though.
I think we'll have to walk from here.
We'll leave the container behind. Sparkplug, I want you to stay here until we get back.
I'm glad someone's gonna watch our gear.
I hope he doesn't get lonely.
He'll be fine.
Hey, are we really gonna walk?
If you'd rather not, you can always stay here.
What? Huh? I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh, this stinks. Why did the minicon have to end up way out here in the middle of nowhere? Oh.
No! You can't do that, Hotshot! You can't cut the trees down. They're living beings, and they help the Earth, too.
But they just keep getting in my way.
Just be respectful, Hotshot. After all, we're only guests on this planet.
Just let the trees be. The walk will be worth it.
Hey, you guys, get over here!
Huh?
I think we're in luck. It looks like there's a path up ahead.
You sure?
Now you're talking.
There's a path. How come there's a path way out here?
Ah, see? I told you so.
Good call. I wonder who could have done this, Carlos.
I think I know.
This path heads in the same direction of the source of the minicon signal.
All right, let's hit the trail. Come on, guys. Follow me.
He really needs to get back on that open road.
I think you're right. Everyone on board, let's get that minicon.
Sure thing, Optimus.
I'm sure glad I found this path.
You're right. But I'm still trying to figure out what it's doing here.
It's for illegal cutting.
Huh? Are you serious, Brad?
So what does that mean?
It means they cut down trees without a proper license.
Huh?
That causes a lot of destruction to the planet because trees and plants produce oxygen needed by humans. They also help slow down global warming by converting carbon dioxide to air. Sometimes we humans forget the delicate balance we share with nature. That's gonna cost us if we're not careful.
So you mean if all these trees keep getting illegally chopped down?
Global warming will get progressively worse, and the Earth might even become uninhabitable.
Huh?
You know, I really wish people would understand that the future of the human race depends on what we do to protect the environment today.
Brad's right. This planet looks peaceful at a glance, but it has some serious problems.
So, are you sure we're going the right way?
Yes. I programmed the locator myself, so I know we're going in the right direction. We'll find it, sir.
I see you're overconfident as usual.
What was that, Starscream?
Nothing, I was just talking to myself.
Huh. Keep talking, because no one else is listening to you anymore.
What's that?
Yeah, Starscream, give it up. You couldn't even find your way to the minicon if I pointed you right to it, like this.
The minicon?
Well, where is it?
That minicon belongs to me.
I sense it's very close by.
Get it. Last one there has a rotten circuit.
That minicon will be mine. There's no way I'll let Demolisher or Cyclonus get it. And once I have it, even Megatron won't get in my way.
Transformers.
I'm okay, but that was close.
Oh, shoot! I missed him!
It's them!
Decepticons!
I should have known.
We came for the minicon.
Not if you're going to use it for evil purposes.
What we do with it is none of your business, Optimus Prime.
Blast them!
Kids, run!
Those creeps!
The trees are on fire!
Don't shoot unless you have a clear line of fire. We mustn't harm this forest.
Come on, are you serious?
That's an order.
Oh, I love Autobots!
Transform now!
You creep! Transform!
I'll show them how it's
Out of the way!
Cyclonus!
You're out of your league! Stand back and let a pro show you how to do some real destruction!
You're blocking my target!
No, the animals!
Brad, wait!
No, not this way!
Over here!
Are the animals safe?
You bet!
Optimus!
Are you kids all right?
Yeah, thanks for
That
saving
was
us.
awesome!
We have to put out this fire, and right now!
You're right. Red alert, hotshot, front and center.
You should check your warranty. I think it's expired.
I'll give you an overhaul you won't forget!
Would you two please stop your bickering?
Megatron! Sir! Look, they're getting away!
What? Look at those cowards run.
Should we go after them?
No, first we must find that minicon panel.
Right.
This is a very dangerous situation. Now let's put out this fire.
Yes, sir.
But Optimus, what if the Decepticons get to the minicons first?
Putting out the fire is more important than that. The safety of the wildlife in this forest takes priority. Let's concentrate on fighting this fire.
Yes, sir.
Let's get to work.
You kids can help, but stay safe.
We'll do what we can.
This ought to cool things off.
They can't stop it. It's spreading too fast.
They need our help.
And they need some water.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, go for it, Laserbeak.
Look, he found a lake.
All right.
But how do we get the water here?
I don't know.
I know what to do.
Huh?
We'll use the container and create a fire extinguisher. Agreed?
Do it. Sparkplug, come in. Do you copy? We have a situation. I'll send you our coordinates. Bring the container to us.
The fire's closing in. Hang tough. Once Leader 1 gets here, we'll be fine.
Stand by. Here he comes. You're just in time, my friend. Container open. Okay, men, let's do this. Red alert, take the lead.
I'm on it, sir.
Come on, let's give them a hand.
Sure! Ha!
There it is! The minicon panel!
So tell me, where is it, Demolisher?
Up there!
Ah, I see it now.
Please let me retrieve the next minicon that we find would be mine!
Demolisher, I want that tree cut down. And make sure you don't damage that minicon.
I'm on it, sir.
But Megatron!
Stop pestering me, Starscream.
All right. I've got everything hooked up now.
Good work.
We're all set.
I'm ready when you are.
Here goes. I'm starting the pump.
The pressure looks good. Here comes the water.
So much for that blaze.
Yeah, it's working.
Excellent!
Optimus, we can handle things here. You guys go stop the Decepticons.
Okay, thanks.
Another minicon will soon be mine. What's this?
Decepticons, your little hunting trip ends here.
I thought we chased you off, Prime. Get them!
Autobots, attack! I'm gonna blast you to pieces!
Not if I blast you first.
Back off, you stooge!
We're going to get that minicon.
The minicons will not be used as tools of war.
I'll do with them what I please, and you can't stop me.
Transform!
What?
The minicons will not be used as tools of war.
I'll do with them what I please, and you can't stop me.
Transform!
What? What's he doing?
He's blown a circuit!
That minicon will be all mine! I've got it! At last I have one for my own! It's mine! My very own minicon! Go on, scan my beautiful image. Give me what I deserve! Yes, show me my partner. I will call you Swindle. Transform for me now. I'll have enough power to rule the land and the sky. Come to me, Swindle. Let's combine. Transform and combine.
Just what do you think you're doing, Starscream?
Let me show you my incredible power. Behold the now laser cannon! Look what I have done. My powers are awesome.
He's out of control.
You'll pay, Starscream. Decepticons retreat!
Hey, Autobots! You had better keep your eyes on me from now on.
He's right. He could cause us a lot of trouble.
If you ask me, I think he's got a few circuits loose.
Optimus! Good news! We were able to put the fire out!
Good work, team.
I sure hope nobody got hurt.
Everybody's okay. Hey, what happened here? Don't tell me the Decepticons got to the minicon panel before you did.
Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened.
Hey, sorry. We should have left the fire and helped you guys out instead.
No, Red, you're wrong. All of you took over for us, and you put the fire out. You did the right thing. We'll have another chance to win back the minicon, but we wouldn't have had another chance to save the environment if it weren't for you. If this entire forest were lost, it would take years for things to go back to the way they were. You stopped a disaster from happening. I'm satisfied with the way things turned out.
So are we. That was the day that I realized the Autobots were not just machines. They had compassion for the living things in the forest just like us. Optimus knew it was more important to preserve our fragile environment.
Out of the way! Let me handle this! Transform and combine! Fire the now laser cannon! Oh my, it's so easy! I must be the most powerful Decepticon in the universe! Even more powerful than Megatron!
Oh, we'll just see about that, Starscream.